gonna go.
I'm gonna let you do that. I'm gonna go.
Check the battery. Check both gates on the battery. Oh boy. Battery.
Let's see, I'm a little confused. Oh. Oh, it's a...
Oh, it's because they've done the lock on the... You can see him now once he screams. Oh, he's got... Oh, he's hanging him. That's so cool. How does he do that? How do you do that? Oh, that's so sick. Can't see with it. Oh, you're already dead. Oh, that's cool, man. I wish I fucking knew how to do that. That's cool.
Y'all straight up sick.
Dude, I told you I was gonna take your ear.
That's brutal.
I think what happened was, like, you guys lost somebody downstairs before you guys came up. So it put you guys at a little disadvantage.
Yeah, it was a little chaotic.
Because I was like, whenever I play Bubba, I never kill him.
That was a good Bubba. That was a good Bubba.
Alright, good games.